Hello everyone, in this particular video we'll try to learn how to balance redox reaction in basic medium. Alright, in acidic medium it's really simple to solve the any redox reaction, but when it comes to basic medium it's little bit confusing. Even I have seen so many videos in YouTube itself, but I didn't get a proper method in order to solve it in purely basic medium without adding H plus ion. See, one more thing is that you can solve this redox reaction in, like by using acidic medium also. First, you can try to balance this how you do an acidic medium, and at the end you just have to add OH negative ions on both sides, and that's how you can do it. But if you want to solve it in purely basic medium without adding any H plus ions, then this is the method that you can follow. Okay, fine. First, in order to solve this redox reaction, what you will do, you have to do it, you have to find out the oxidation state, right? So here the oxidation state of phosphorus is 0, and here how you'll find, you can find whatever the oxidation state that we want to find. You can just keep it as x plus 3. Hydrogen is having 1 oxidation state, like 3 into 1 is equals to 0. There is no charge over here, that's why it is 0. X is equals to minus 3. So oxidation state over here on phosphorus is minus 3, and for this is 2. Two hydrogens are there, plus we want to find the oxidation state of this phosphorus only, so x plus 2 into, and here oxygen is having minus 2 oxidation state and overall charge is minus 1, so is equals to minus 1. We have to keep 2 plus x minus 4 is equals to minus 1, and here it is minus 2 is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 plus 2 means plus 1, right? So the oxidation state of this phosphorus over in this compound is plus 1. So which is oxidation and which is reduction over here? See, simple, just don't get confused over here also. Oxidation, reduction. Oxidation means loss of electrons, okay? And the reduction means gain of electrons. Or else by seeing the oxidation state also you can find out. Oxidation state means it increases the oxidation state. Increasing the oxidation state. Oxidation state, I'm just keeping it as a OS, all right, and it will decrease the oxidation state. So if you find out like phosphorus is going from 0 to minus 3, means it is reducing, right? It is gaining the electrons. So here this one is reduction, all right, and here this one P4 to, this mentions we have to solve in basic medium. That's what for this. Here P4 itself, it is undergoing reduction and oxidation at the same time. And the remaining one, it is going from 0 to plus 1. The oxidation state is increasing, right? It is losing the electrons. It lost 1 electron, right? So that's why it is oxidation. So I hope you have I hope this is clear for you till here. This is the basic thing that you need to know in while solving in acidic medium, basic medium. This is the common thing that you need to know first, which is oxidation half cell and which is reduction half cell. This is how you will find out. Okay. Now let's just move on to how to solve things. So here, let me make, this is oxidation half cell. Okay. This is oxidation half cell, and here it will be reduction half cell. Okay, and then you need to write it separately. Each one. Oxidation half cell is P4. It is going P4 to H2PO2 negative, right? And here it is P4 to PH3. So this is how you need to find out which is oxidation half cell and which is reduction half cell. Then the next thing is that the first two steps are still the same in both acidic medium and basic medium. First thing is that you need to balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. So here, other than oxygen and hydrogen, which is there? Phosphorus, right? So here on the left side there are four phosphorus, and on the right side only one. So you need to keep it four over here. Here we need to keep four. Okay, four phosphorus, four phosphorus. Now it got balanced. Here also you need to keep it. Here four. On the next step, P4, 4H2, PO2 negative. Alright, and here it will be P4, 4PH2. This is 4, alright. Just a minute. And if you are solving for, like, if you are preparing for any entrance exam like JEE and NEET, you don't need to write all these steps one by one. This is for you have to write in this way for like CBSE or intermediate IPE exams. Okay, so but you can just do it over here in one single step itself if you are preparing for NEET, because the time constraint. Okay, so first balance other than oxygen and hydrogen, that is done. And the next step, what you will do? Balance oxygen by adding water. That is what we will do in acidic medium also. So here, how many oxygens are there? 8 oxygens are there. But here there are no oxygen, so you need to add 8 molecules of water. P4 plus 8H2O, and here it will be 4H2 PO2 negative. And here it will be, there are no oxygen, so you don't need to do anything. Here the next step is you need to balance the hydrogens. In order to balance the hydrogens, see, in order to balance the hydrogen, here how many hydrogens are there? 8 to the 16. Here 4 to the 8 only there. So we need to balance hydrogens by adding water molecule only. But wherever you add the water molecule, on the opposite side you need to add the OH minus, same number of OH minus. Alright, so I hope it's clear for you. Let's do it. So here 8 to the 16, 4 to the 8. So here this side we need to add 8 water molecule. Okay, P4 plus 8H2O, and here we need to add H2 PO2 negative. Let me write it with this color. So here we are adding 8H2O, and whatever we add, how many molecules we'll add over here, water molecule, those many we have to add it over here, OH minus plus 8OH negative. Alright, I hope this one is clear for you. These two steps are common in acidic medium also, but this step is somewhat different. Okay, bus, that's it. And here you can just cancel it out, water molecule, or else you can do it while adding those two equations. Okay, so now here also you need to balance hydrogens. How many hydrogens are there? 12 hydrogens. So you need to add 12 water molecules on the left side, and the same number of molecules you need to have. You have to add it on the right side, like same number of OH molecules you need to have. 12 OH negative. So now it's fine, right? And then after that we need to balance. What we need to balance? Charges. Okay. What is the charge over here? Here it is -8, and this side -4. So how can we make this -4 to -8? By adding +4 electrons. If you add again +4 electrons, electron is a negative species, right? So if you add 4 electrons, then it will become 8 and like -8 and -8. To balance the charges, so you need to add 4 electrons over here on the right side. So P4 plus 8H2O plus 8OH negative, and here it will be 4H2 PO2 negative plus 8H2O plus 4 electrons. Fine, I hope it's clear for you. And here there are how many electrons are there? -12. And if you add over here +12 electrons, then both sides charges will be equal. So add +12 electrons over here. Plus 12H2O plus 12 electrons. This is 4PH3 plus 12OH negative. Okay, I hope it's clear till here. Then what you'll do, you just have to, here there are four electrons, here there are two electrons. How can you make it equal? You can just multiply this whole equation with 3. Just don't multiply 3 with only these or only electrons. You need to multiply whole equation with 3. Okay. Then just add it up. What you'll get if you multiply 3 over here, you just write 3. 3 8 is 24 plus 3 is 24 OH negative and 3 4 is 12 H2 PO2 negative plus a 24 H2O. You can just cancel it out, this water molecules. This is 12 electrons. And just write this equation over here under this. P4 plus 12 H2O plus 12 electrons. This will be 4 pH. I'm not multiplying anything with this because finally we just need to add the two equation. In order to add it, the electrons should get cancelled out. So we try to make it equal. So in order to make it into 12, we can just multiply this whole equation with 3. 3 4s are 12. So these electrons will get cancelled. That is the main idea behind this. 4 pH to 12 OH negative. So now you just try to add it up. Okay. What happens here? These water molecules anyway get cancelled out. We'll get 3 plus 1 4 4p4. If it is an opposite side, you just need to subtract. If it is in the same side, you need to add up. Okay, we are adding this equation, and what you'll get, 12 water molecule. In this above molecule, water molecule is not there because we have cancelled it out. 12 water molecule and plus this electrons also will get cancelled out, and this 24 OH negative and 12 OH negative, you just subtract 24 minus 12, we'll get 12 OH negative on this side, and then here we'll get 4 pH3 and 12 H2 PO2 negative. So this is the balanced equation. Here you can see the quotients. The stoichiometric quotients are 4. It is a multiple of 4, right? So you can just simply write it like this. P4 plus 3, 4, 4 3s are 12, 3H2O plus 3 OH negative, pH3 plus 3H2 PO2 negative. So this is how you can simply solve. We can check it out. See here phosphorus are 4. Here also 3 plus 1 4, right? And hydrogens, how many hydrogens are there? 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 9. And here also 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 3 9. Okay, these are also good balanced. And oxygen 3 3 6. And 3 2s are 6. But it is balanced, right? So this is how you can just simply do it, balanced equation. This is the method you can follow in any basic medium without doing it in acidic medium. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. And and if you are doing it for the like JE or NEET, you can just do it in a single step. Just let me tell you. First, try to separate both, like half cell production. I mean, just try to separate both oxidation half cell and reduction half cell. Just write it over here like this. And what we need to do here, first we need to balance other than oxygen and nitrogen. You just keep it over here itself, 4. Okay. And here also 4 we need to keep. And let me just make it with this color. Okay. 4 and 4. Right. And then you need to balance oxygens by adding water molecules. Okay. So here 4 2s are 8 are there. So you need to add 8 water molecule over here. And here there are no oxygen, so you don't need to add anything. And the next one is you need to balance hydrogens. Here 8 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16 hydrogens are there. Here only 8 hydrogens are there. So in order to balance hydrogens, we need to add number of like a water molecule only, but opposite to that, we need to add same number of OH minus. So we need to add 8 H2O molecule over here plus 8 OH negative over here. And for this, 4 3 are 12. So 12 H2O molecule you will add over here, this side, and 12 OH negative you will add on this side. So I am just writing it over here. I am not writing each equation again and again, right? This is just a, I mean, you can save time over here if you do like this. So what you'll get anyway, this will get cancelled out, and you can just rewrite the equation once, whatever you have, and 4 H2PO2. Sorry, this is negative. Okay, and here P4 plus 12H2O, and this is 4pH3 plus 12, 12 OH negative. And also you can just check it this electrons also, minus 8 plus 4 to 4 minus 4. So you need to add 4 electrons over here, and here also there are 12 electrons over on the right side, so 12 electrons you need to add over here. And then you can just solve these two equations. Just try to make the electrons equal and simply add it up. Bus. So this is how you need to do in the entrance exam, and this is how you need to do in like state board exams and any other like theoretical exams. Okay, CBSE or IP exams. That's how you can able to solve it. I hope it's clear for you. If you want, you can just note it down, or else you can just take a screenshot also. Okay, let me just keep it like this so that it will be easy for you to take a screenshot. Okay, so yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this, and if you have any doubt, you just comment it, and I'll see and I'll make a video on that particular topic. Okay, whatever it might be simple topic or a complex topic. You just let me know that you have doubt in this particular case, and I would love to help you people. And yeah, that's it for this particular video. I'll try to create even more videos. Just tell me which topic you need from me. Okay, which topic you want to listen. Okay, all right. So just prepare well for your examination. Don't take that much stress and all. Just be calm and do your work. But that's it. That is the only one thing that you can do right now, which is you can do whatever is possible for you. But don't. So yeah, that's it for this particular video. We'll meet in my next video. Till then, just be happy. Okay, bye.